What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. Like I said, just giving you these throwback videos of what I bought and sold in the past, man, until I can start taking you guys to the auction with me. Just waiting on the state to inspect my office space, and then we'll be up and running, guys. Just bear with me. But in this video, we got a 1999 Lexus GS300, man. This was a very nice car. It was very nice. It was very clean, very solid car. The body was in good condition. It just had some damage right there, as you can see. But that was pretty much the only damage on the car. And another thing, when I drove this car back, it actually had a tire blowout on me on the expressway. So I had to buy like I just bought a used tire for it. I spent $18.88 on this car. Ended up selling it for $2,500. So I did pretty good on this car. It had like 167,000 miles on it. As you can see in the inside, it was very clean. I had the title and everything ready to go. And I think I had that little wood piece right there for like the hood prop, because of the trunk, not the trunk, the hood didn't stay open. But as you can see, guys, that car was very, very clean, and I had the tire flat right there so I can put it in a tire, but the tire did blow out. But as you can see, guys, this car was very clean, man. 1999. And they kept it up for it to be a 1999 too, guys, and everything worked on it. So I think I did pretty good on it. Sold it for $2,500. The last one I had in my other throwback video, I had sold it for $3,000. And it had some damage on the door. And I thought this one was in better condition, but I ended up getting $2,500 for it. Like I said, I paid $18.88, so I did make good money. This motor in here was the V6. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, guys. Got a lot of more content coming. Can't wait to start taking you guys to the auction with me. Just bear with me, guys. Just waiting on state inspection. And yeah, this car had good tires and everything, guys. But I'll catch you on the next one. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace, guys.